stand before you because you make us. This is about get that. How to introduce ourselves.
They keep winning. So you also need, I know, especially in Kenya clubs may...
How to introduce. Women football started picking and having visibility from 2016. And it has gone up. Now we thought it is right and good to educate the clubs on how they can make their brands visible, on how they can talk about what they're doing with the girls in their clubs.
There are gaps in sharing information about the players. People want to feel like they're on the same page with the players in terms of they're human. They also do things that the normal people do. That connection, if there's that connection between the audience and the fans with the players, then it will grow our visibility.